Hi friends. So friends, today in this video we will going to know what will be the price for installing the PVC wall panels and what are the advantages and what are the points to consider before installing the PVC panels. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. PVC panels are the best option for your home. Nowadays it has become the best and popular choice for wall decoration because it has some good advantages like it is more durable. Whether 5 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm thickness wall panels are re-owned for their own durability and ability to withstand wear and tear. They will not crack or break like traditional tiles, so making them the ideal addition to any family home. Durability also translates into longevity, meaning your wall panel invest will last for years. So friends, now we will know what will be the price for installing these wall panels. So let's we take some example like your wall size is 12 by 10, that means it is 120 square feet, and one strip of PVC panel comes in 8.35 square feet. So then the total number of panels you require is the 15, and one panel price is almost 400 rupees. This is I'm saying the good quality. You will get 150 rupees panels also, but their durability is very less. So if you'll multiply that 15 panels into 400 rupees, it will cost you 6000 rupees, and you will require the extra materials like corner strips. All these things it almost cost 600 rupees, and you will require some adhesives like, so this will cost you 200 rupees. So the total amount of materials will cost you 6800 rupees, and another price is the labor cost. So for one strip labor will cost almost 140 rupees to install the panel. So if we will multiply that 15 panels into 140, it will cost you around 2100 rupees. So now we will add material plus labor, so it will almost cost you 8900 rupees. Like material price is 6800 plus labor price is 2100, so the total will cost you 8900, and when we'll divide with our area 120 square feet, so it will cost you 74 rupees per square feet of PVC wall panel installation. So friends, PVC wall panels are extremely easy to maintain and it has lots of advantages. Like it is easy to maintain, they require only a wash down with a warm damp cloth to keep them looking like new. It is waterproof because it is almost 100% waterproof, making them the perfect choice for rooms prone to condensation. Even you can use in a bathrooms, kitchens. It is very cost effective. PVC wall panels are an extremely cost effective way of creating the room of your dreams. Nowadays, decorating the walls with these panels have become the more popular choice. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. And one of the best advantages of PVC panel is quickly easy to install. PVC wall panels are quick and easy to install, requiring no specialist tools or skills. They are ideal for rough surface and can even be fitted directly on top of existing walls, tiles. They doesn't require any putty or anything, making them ideal for any room renovation. And the best advantage of PVC wall panels that you will get wide range of colors and patterns. So whether you are looking to emulate the luxury of real marble, the warmth of wood or the textures of tiles, there will be a wall panel to suit both your style and your home. PVC panels are made from recyclable materials, reducing their environmental impact, and it is suitable for even in the commercial and can be used for ceilings, walls, and even in the partitions. These benefits make the PVC wall panels a practical and a versatile solution for both new construction and the renovation of your home. So when you're installing the PVC wall panel, you should consider some important points. Like first one is the moisture resistant. PVC panels are water resistant and ideal for areas prone to moistures. Ensure the wall is clean while you install the PVC panels, dry and free from cracks or uneven surface to prevent installation issues. The wall should be strong enough to hold the panel securely, and choose a panel of appropriate thickness for durability. Select a design and texture that complements your room style. Option for a panel with appropriate fire safety certification if required. So decide whether to attach the panels directly to the wall or use a framework depending on the wall condition and installation ease. So friends, keeping this some points, you can make your wall beautiful, decorative. So as you know that what are the advantages of PVC wall panels. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because in this channel you will get the latest in modern interior tips and design ideas. So friends, if you like my videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you.